Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing animated PowerPoint template. Plus you can get it for free after you comment to get the link. I'll send you the free link. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is add the shape, and we're just gonna make it like thicker. Then we're gonna change this fill to white, change the background fill to a light gray color, duplicate it, give it a shadow, duplicate it about like this, and subtract the shape. Then what you have to do is just put it right here. Then what you have to do is just add this color to the shape. And we're just gonna add our title and other stuff. Then we're gonna add the colors, and here we go. So we're just gonna insert one icon as well. The icon is placed right here. Then what we're gonna do is just duplicate it into like 2 more shapes. After grouping it, if you want to group it, or just directly select it and duplicate it, then we're gonna change the icons, replace them one by one, and change the numbering in the title as well. Here we go. After doing this, we'll just change the icons real quick. Then what you have to do is just change the icons color as well, according to what color shape these are. And yeah, so here we go. Finally, duplicate your slide. On the first slide, put everything out of the slide. So now we're gonna select all of the 2 slides and give them morph transition after positioning them with some distance in between. So yeah, now give it morph transition. This is the final result of what we made in this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe.